Hello and welcome back. Listen, guys, hope you all had a great week and enjoying the weekend. And listen, as you saw by my last package, obviously I've got a fantastic, awesome package of challenge locks sent over by Turk Matt. Listen, I really appreciate that, mate. And yeah, it's time to pick one of them, of course, you know. And so listen, with that many locks, I mean, which one do you pick? It was just a random selection. Just put my hand into the bag and got a challenge lock out. And I picked up this challenge lock by my good buddy Bronx-LockPicker 60. And this one here is called Butta. That's a Slade kick cylinder. And the bitting on the key is pretty savage, to say the least. So let's get this lock viced up and let's see what it takes to get in. So that's nice in there. As you can see, it's all working absolutely beautifully. All locked up. And let's see what we can do to get in. Okay, so we're going to use top of the keyway. And we're going to use one of my homemade picks. Okay, let's get you zoomed in there. Okay, so let's go to the back and see where we go. Okay, so got a little click out of 5. I've got a couple of clicks out of 4. Okay, got a click out of 2. It's just like overset off 1, I think. Going back 5. Nothing on 5. Got a little click out of 4 again, I think. Counter a click, a bit of movement on the core of 2, which is good. Nothing on 1. Nothing on 3. 4. Got a click out of 4. I'll leave that alone. 5. Okay, got a nice little click out of 5, a little bit more movement on the core. Coming back through. Okay, got a nice little click and a bit more movement off of 2 again. Nothing off of 1. Nothing off of 3. Nothing off of 4. 5. 5's on the ground. Okay, let's get under 5 without dropping anything. Okay, so go. Okay, got a nice little click and a movement on the core of a 5, sorry. And we are open off a 4. Superb. Superb lock there, my good friend. And let's have a look what's inside. Sorry, let's get you down there. Let's zoom out a bit. There's a lock. Okay, that's good. Okay, let's get you twisted around there a little bit. Down there, that's all good. Okay, pinning tray. Okay, that's good. Okay. Let's get a pick and get this little one up the back. Let me see what else good. Yeah, still in frame. Okay, that's good. Okay, there's a little spring there. Superb. Okay, let's get a shim. Shim, 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 shim. Okie dokie. Okay, that's good. Keys are there. Okay. There's some goodness in there. There you go, I think we're in. Okay. It's a bit tricky to get the old shim in there. Okay, we're going to be alright doing that, are we? Okay, let's take a chance. Take a chance. Okay. There we go. And there we go. We've made that, that's good. Okay, let's go back around this way. And you can see all the pins, just zoom it a bit that way. Okay, all the pins working absolutely beautifully. And you can see there, we've got threading in 2, counter milling in 3, a bit of counter milling in 4 and threading in 5. Okay, so it's 1, 2, zoom out a bit there. That's better. Okay. 3, 4 and 5. So just have another look at the core there. So yeah, so we've got nothing in 1, threading in 2, threading in 3, counter milling. I actually think that one's counter milled. Yeah, it is, yeah, definitely. And threading in 5. And we'll come back and have a look at the key pins in a minute, one by one. I'll just get them situated the correct way. Not that way, that way. That's good. That's good. Okay, then the Bible. Okay. Let's get the shim out. Come on. That's good. Okay, that's good. Okay, pin 1. Pin 1 there. And pin 2. Let's just get the spring out of there. That core over there. Okay, that's 1. 2. Copper in 2. Oh wow. Awesome T-pin in 3. We'll have a good look at these in a minute. Spool in 4. Copper. Let's go for this and get this one out the back. Let's get it serrated in 5. Steel spring, come on, out you come. There you go, superb. Let's move that across to there. Okay, and the Bible. Okay, we've got some work up here as well. Okay, we've got threading in 1, threading in 2, threading in 3, 4 and 5. There's threading in all the chambers there. Superb. Absolutely superb. Okay, let's get you zoomed on these pins. Okay, so keeping 1. Where are we? There we go. Is this awesome double spool, like a double spool with a serration on top in 2, a double serration, like a triple serration, triple spool in 3, a spool, a tapered spool with serrations on top in 4, and a serrated spool in 5. Let's get that one away. We've got a T-pin serrated in 1. We've got an awesome sort of serrated barrel pin in 2. Got a serrated T-pin in 3. Got a serrated spool in serrated spool in 4, and a serrated in 5. And then for the springs we've got steel, copper, copper, copper and steel. Bronx-LockPicker 60. That was an awesome lock. Really enjoyed picking that. Absolutely fantastic work. Listen guys, thanks ever so much for watching, and I will see you on the next one. Take care now. Bye.